Today in this video we will talk about chapter 5 of MSO 001, that is concept and theories of structure. In this video we will talk about social structure, reality and social structure as a model. We will talk about sociologists like Radcliffe Brown, E. Evans Petrarch and Cloud. We will also talk about Levi-Strauss and we will also see differences between these sociologists. Here are the questions. First question is social structure is the reality, discuss. Second question, Radcliffe Brown's contribution to social structure. This is the same question asked in different ways. Now the third question is E. Evans Petrarch, understanding of social structure, and the fourth question is social structure as a model. Now these two questions are also same, asked in different language. Now fifth question is Cloud Levi-Strauss to study of social structure as a model. We will also see the sixth question, difference of Radcliffe Brown with Levi-Strauss and difference of Radcliffe Brown with E. Evans ideas. Now let's see structure. Structure is a Latin word, came from structura, that have came from sture, that means to construct. It was applied to construction. Later during classical period it was used in scientific field of biology. Herbert Spencer, he is a sociologist in 1873. He was first to use the analogy of building to describe society imagined as consisted of parts. As we see in a house that there are several parts, there is a one outer wall, then there are subdivision into different rooms, and there may be also a partition in a room. So this is what Herbert Spencer talk about. He also developed organic analogy for understanding of concept of social structure. He used the word structure first time. Robert Merton, in 1975, he is quite right in saying that the notion of social structure is polyphyletic and polymorphous. Polymorphous means several shades. It has many meanings and ideas. Means he said that structure has many meanings and ideas, and we will see about all these ideas. Emile Durkheim said that the idea of function in social science was based on analogy between the living organism and society. Social morphology, that means several shade, term used by him first, which means same as social structure. Durkheim's sociology impacted British social anthropologist A.R. Radcliffe Brown, and theory of A.R. Radcliffe Brown is known as social structure is a reality. He have divided or we can divide the structure as a reality in four main parts. Now the first part is natural science of society. For Brown, in 1948, social anthropology is the theoretical nature science of human society. Each science has a subject matter that can be investigated through our senses. Subject matter is empirical, subjective to observation. He pursued the analogy of natural sciences, structure of universe as it is revealed to us through our senses. He writes in 1952 that social structure are real as our individual organism. Now the second part is the content of social structure. The basic part of social structure is the person. He makes an important distinction between an individual and a person. An individual, his biological organism comprises a large number of molecules which carry function till the time he is alive. It is an object of study of biological and psychological sciences. A person is a human being, is a complex of social relationship. Unit of study for sociology and social anthropologists. Society is an organized, arranged system where norms and value controls the relationship between two persons. Brown includes two aspects of social structure. First, a social relation of person. Sorry for the spelling mistake. Of person to person, that is interpersonal relation. The difference of individual and classes by their social role. Now the third type is structural type. Social anthropologist, when carries out his fieldwork, he actually investigates its social structure. be an actually existing concrete reality to be directly observed. But what he observed, he abstract a general picture of the society. Radcliffe Brown makes a distinction between social structure and structural type or form. He distinguished from history or biography. Science is not concerned with a particular or unique. It is rather concerned with general, with proposition that apply to entire phenomena. It concerns the form of structure. Social structure continues over time. A kind of continuity that Brown calls is dynamic continuity. It is organic structure of a living body. The structural form of society moves from ideographic to nomenclatic. Ideographic designates a specific social structure, requires an intensive study of single society. Nomenclatic, it is a structural form, it is an abstraction of form of that society. Radcliffe Brown calls comparative sociology as he used comparative method to move from particular to general. Social structure is what we study, but what we arrive at is the structural type. Now the fourth part is society and social structure. Confusion prevails with respect to the distinction between society and social structure. Social life and social structure, structural form of social structure and structures. These three differences prevail in the society. What Radcliffe Brown called social structural type, many understand its social structure. So we can say that structural type is same as social structure for many sociologists, and many understand social structure many as a society. So structural type, social structure or society, they both are the different term but used in a similar understanding by different sociologists. Now we will see social structure refers to relation between groups. It is a contribution of E. Evans, Petrarch. Evans Petrarch delineated his concept of social structure in the last section of the chapter of his book The Neure in 1940. He described Neure society moved on abstract plane. Neure concept of time and space arise largely from the pattern of livelihood. He examines the territorial section which form the political system is absence of centralized political authority. Neure is a stateless society. Their discussion have given rise to concept of segmentary political system where social order is largely a function of the opposition and balance of different sections of society. Structure is an organized combination of groups. Individuals come and go, but group remains same. For generation after generation of people pass through them. For Ivan, social structure deals with unit which as largely invariant, that is group. As we can see, for example, in our own family, the generation came from a grandfather to father and to us, but whatever the group or society we belong is the same. Ivan says that the tribe is not a haphazard congregation of residential units. Society as a system of group in which relation exists between group of person, and these relation are a structural relation. Thus, according to Evans, the part of social structure among which structural relations are to be described are groups in your over time. Social structure in an anthropologist's abstraction from existing reality, which is kind of historiography. Now we will see social structure is a model according to Claude Lévi-Strauss and Edmund Leach. Social structure is a universal structure. Claude Lévi-Strauss is a French structuralist. For functionalism, society is a kind of living creature consisting of parts which can be directed and distinguished from structuration. It is the analogy from language that helps us in conceptuating society. In his celebrated essay of 1953 in A.L. Kroeber's Anthropology Today titled Social Structure, Strauss says, Claude had made three distinctions. First is between observation and experiment. The second is the conscious and unconscious character of the model. And third is between mechanical and statistical model. Now, observation of social relation and construction of model after these fact needs to be distinguished from experiments on model. He means by an experiment the controlled comparison of model of same or of different types. In structural analysis, first step is to observe the fact from this model are constructed and the best is chosen. Now, second is distinction between conscious and unconscious model is made with reference to the society under study. Conscious model is homemade. Model and norms are insiders model. Model are seeker structures which society perceive directly as consciously. Levi-Strauss say that the aim of conscious model is to perpetuate the phenomena and not to explain it. Conscious model, when are inaccurate, they then also guide us to deeper structure. Unconscious model leads to deeper understanding of society. The classic formulation of mechanical model is that they are those models which lie in the same scale as the phenomena is. Model and phenomena lie on different scale. They are called statistical model. Strauss not explain the meaning of same scale, quantitative difference between what people say and what they do, such as example laws of marriage, where mechanical says that rule and norms are equal, that is a reality, and statistical model says that rules and norms are not equal reality. Now, Edmund Leach, he is a structuralist. He contributed to idea social structure as a model. Like Levi-Strauss, Leach divided the social universe into different epistemological categories. The raw data of social experience, that is social relation, and the models that are built from it. Models are not empirical. They are the logical construction in the mind of anthropologists. Like Strauss, Leach also arrived at the distinction between mechanical and statistical model. He calls mechanical model a juror rules, that is legally told. Statistical model are statistical norms. Now we will see difference between Strauss and Leach. For Strauss, both mechanical and statistical model are roughly equal analytical value and they complement each other. For Leach, juror rules and statistical norms should be treated as a reference. Statistical norms have priority over juror rules. Study begin with actual behavior of people, the deviation that occurs and the conformity they achieve. Second, Leach point that mechanical model or juror rules are qualitative rules of behavior, sanctions support them, and they have the power of coercion, whereas statistical model or norms are only statistical average of individual behavior and not have coercive power. Model of Strauss plus Brown. Nadel, The Theory of Social Structure, 1957. He borrowed Brown's idea that each person occupies a position in social structure but forms an empirical level of interpersonal interaction. He moves to land of abstraction where the people becomes the actor who plays a role with respect to other. Structures are formed, role relationship, social relationship. Roles are hidden structure according to Rawls and relation according to Brown. Parson in 1961 said that the structure of social system is defined with respect to institutionalization pattern of normative culture. Peter Blow in 1977 says social structure is social position which is distributed. Now the next question. Difference between Radcliffe Brown and E. Evans Petrarch. Radcliffe begin with idea of person, whereas Evans begin with viewing social structure in terms of group. Radcliffe Brown structure form is sum to same to Evans social structure. Radcliffe Brown sees social anthropology as branch of natural science, whereas Evans sees it is a kind of his to historiography. Difference between Brown and Levi-Strauss. Brown says that structure is observable. Strauss says that it is an abstract concept. Brown structure persists of a particular society at a particular point of time and place. Strauss says that it persists its structure of entire human social society. social society. Brown says that structure is empirical reality, whereas Strauss denies Brown and says that it is to the model that are built tip from empirical reality. So here we will end today, and next video we will talk about chapter 6, that is in the continuation of this block. Please like, share and subscribe and comment